Hello people from YouTube, this is Baron from Elliott Wave, and today it is up to the S&P. So as usual here with our weekly updates on Elliott Wave. If you're new, welcome. Once again, I do weekly updates on major instruments such as you can see, the S&P, the Nasdaq, the DAX, the gold, Bitcoin, ETH, so on and so forth. So if you are interested in that, go check that out. Go check the channel out and consider subscribing. It will really help. Today, as usual, we're going to focus on the short-term counts. For the long-term counts, as usual, I will link you to the playlist, which is called US Stock Market. And if you want to take a just browse through some videos, you'll find one where I go into more detail on the some potential longer-term counts that are possible here for the S&P. So today is Saturday, the 8th of February, and I guess we can, let's get started. So this was kind of my preferred count that I was anticipating. So here we have no way kind of validation just by like $1.50. Still no way kind of validation. And basically my whole point is, I've always mentioned how all of this is quite confusing. It's not the clearest move, hence it is not the easiest to count. Now, I do see something like this possible. It is also true that yes, there's a nasty looking wave too. You would just be at 0.618% of 3 against 1. Okay, so wave 3 would be 61.8% the length of wave 1, so obviously smaller. Whereas we know that usually this equality is meant, but we also know that we would be into an extended wave 5. Now, the way never mind. Okay, so that is possible. Now, the thing is, yesterday I updated the top 7 stocks in the Nasdaq, which are, if I'm not mistaken, they're also the top 7 on the S&P, or at least some are. Some of them are. And things are not looking too good. So I can see a pullback coming. I can see a pullback coming for the S&P. But we're gonna have to find out. But the top 7 stocks, seven tech stocks, they are looking like some sort of a pullback is coming to some degree. That is could indeed correspond to something like this, all the way down here towards 5,500. Now, before we go into the 1 hour, I wanted to show you this also possible. A 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 upside. So obviously this suggests that no such larger pullback is coming right now, but we're gonna be waiting for it. There's good pros of this count as far as I'm concerned. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, once again, this is a bit annoying to count, isn't it? And that was the previous one. This one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 upside. So this, in terms of let's say upside potential, is kind of similar to this one, right? 5 ways into wave 5, and here also 5 ways into wave 3. So, but still much more upside. This one is a bit more conservative. So if you want to be conservative, perhaps this could be your favorite one. Now, we don't have volume here because we're on the cash market. If we work with the numbers, we're at 6,000, which is not in itself an important number, but it's a whole number. So the market, as you can see, is respecting it. The next strong number will be 6,500, because 65 is halfway between 50 and 80, and 5 and 8 are Fibonacci numbers, so it is between 2 strong Fibonacci number. So that's why 65 is very important. And what else? What else can I say? I tried. We did it last week. Tried to come up with different counts, but I don't have any. If you want to share yours, feel free to join the Discord. Let me know in the Discord. Just beware of scammers, as I always say. Or just down in the comments below. But in Discord, at least you can share the chart. And if we go into the hourly, at last, right? I'm always so slow. Sorry, people. I need your watch time. Okay, so here, yes, we could see a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down into wave 4. In a way, it would fit, right? Now here, with the Nasdaq, if you've been following the channel, as you should, no, I'm just kidding, but if you are, I appreciate it truly. It really helps you know guys satisfied with my work, especially that I'm going through a bit of a phase, heartbroken. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here on the S&P, we can count. I can count. I'm happy to say I can count 5 waves into wave 1, whereas on the Nasdaq, I cannot. I can count 3. So that kind of triggers me. But still, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, and this would be a nice like relationship between 2 and 4. Look at this; they are pretty much the same size. As a matter of fact, we can just easily measure them. Take the length of wave 2. Look at this equality. This is equality. So right here, wave 4 would have been as long as wave 2. So perfect. Once again, as I always say, corrections of the same degree will tend toward equality. Now this looks like a 3-wave move down. We could see once again ABC, something. As I always say, when it comes to corrections, you never know which one you're gonna get. You can take an educated guess, but you never know. If this was an actual flat into wave 2, no, a complex, I label it as a complex, but still you get my point, then this could be pretty sharp. But still, I would like to see some sort of, at least go to the areas of a previous 4, which is a very common Elliott Wave, not tendency, what's it called? Elliott Wave, I forgot the word, sorry people. Anyways, that's all I can say about it for this count. Obviously, if we want to be more bullish, then we have a bottom in place here in sub-minuet wave 2, and we are resuming higher. Now, which one is going to be? I guess you will have your answer by maybe Monday, end of the session, if not earlier. Depends on how we open up on Monday, the pre-market. But early next week, Monday, Tuesday, we should have an answer on whether this is possible or not. And if it's not possible, then I think we're going to switch to, it's still going to be my preferred one. I'm not trading it, just so you know. And obviously none of this was ever or will ever be financial advice, but this is possible. That being said, people, if you enjoyed the video, please do like. If you want to see more, I'd highly appreciate and recommend you guys subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I will see you tomorrow.